So this is Blendi. I'm really excited to open this up. This is amazing. So if you're into working out and all that other stuff, then you know how important it is after your workout to get that protein, to get those nutrients as soon as physically possible. And so, I mean, of course, there's things like blender bottles and stuff like that, but I still even get sick of like the protein powders and stuff sticking to the corners and it not fully blending it. And so this is an actual blender that's portable that you can take with you. So let's open this up. Really excited to check this out. Very cool. I think we've got our lid here. Awesome. Da, 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 da. So what else do we have in here? So we've got our instructions. Super cool. Again, so not just for your protein powders, right? But you can actually blend up fruit juices and smoothies in here, which is amazing. So they got different recipes, things like that. I mean, I'm sure you could even take this if you want that margarita for on the go. I'm sure this has got you covered, but I love this. I'm into health. Again, so ignore that margarita comment, but this is great for, being able to get that nutrition that you need on the go. It is wireless, so that is awesome. You don't need to plug this in. It does have a battery inside, and let's pop this open. There you go. And it's also, that's super cool how it has a that type of lid. This is a different bottom, I think, so you could like blend and then take this with you, which is also cool too, because I mean, being able to, you can just do that, take it with you, right? Just use this as like like water infusion kind of situation here, or for tea. But this is super cool because it also makes it really easy to clean. So you can easily just like clean that out, easy to, like, how many times is it, how difficult it is to clean blenders. This makes it really easy. And this is great too, because it allows you to catch any extra pieces or anything like that, so that, you're able to do water infusions or other things like that. So super cool, great way to blend on the go, whether you're blending protein powders or fruits and vegetables. I think this is super awesome, and I cannot wait to try it out for myself.